back to RWCS. Today's gonna be an interesting day. It's been... Hey guys, I feel like the intro, as I was editing this video, doesn't really do it justice. We gotta take this way back to old Colin. Not that guy. No, that's way too young. That guy there. See that guy? That guy grew up in a small town called Humboldt, Iowa, where two rivers came and intersected, and those rivers were where we spent our time. We'd throw parties out on the islands in high school because we knew we wouldn't get in trouble there. We would float the river on the weekends or go fishing on the weeknights. My high school life and middle school really revolved around these rivers quite a bit. We had this friend that collected old motorcycles and just like weird stuff. And he had a house by the river, and he told my dad one day, he's like, hey, if your kids ever want to try that surfboard thing out, go ahead. Oh, one day we went and picked this thing up, thought we'd try it out. I remember back then, I had to sit on the surf jet backwards and grab the pull cord, and I'd have to literally pull it back like a rowing machine because I was just too weak and small to start the thing at the time. So, back to the video, I guess. I don't know. Oh, this is so exciting!
Just wild. Dropping her in?
Dropping yourself in?
I don't know.
You're getting wet.
That's slick. I might have to wear my sandals on this. I forgot how sketchy these are.
Oh my god. Maybe I'm not going on it tonight.
Whoa! 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 We gotta get moving.
Don't sink it, fatty.
Yeah, definitely won't hold my fingers. You're crushing it. I mean, you were hauling.
Were we?
Yeah.
We think we were doing 20.
I'd say about that.
I mean, we were a little heavier than when we were 10.
Yeah. Please tell me you're recording there.
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that feel?
Wasn't bad. I lost the pit viper.
Oh.
I'm like, $15.
We should probably start heading back.
All right. gotta say, I'm really impressed with how easy it is to handle once you're up and moving. Like, the fact that I could come grab a liquid beverage for YouTube while we're going full clip, which was done by trained professionals, and you should not try it at home.
Certainly
Do I take the quotes off that? You get the point. But no, this is by far better than the day my child was born, and my child hasn't even been born yet. Nor do I have one on the way that I know of. But I know this day will still be better. Second to none. That's all I got, you know? That would be awesome. I'm gonna deck this out. This is not leaving.
You should just update it with a 90s paint job.
Yeah, well, I want to do the red, white, and blue theme. Because America.
For America?
Yeah.
That's good.
But when I first was going to get it, and after I bought it, I'm like, yeah, I know I've wanted one since we rode one when we were like 12. I'm like, we can sell it at the end of summer, but now she ain't going nowhere. This is in the family for good. Until I sink it. Because I'll probably sink it somehow. It's awesome. It's so simple. You just go out, throw a life jacket on. You don't have to worry about people showing up and all that. All you gotta do is just show up to people. You know what I mean?
Everybody loves it.
It don't matter. I can meet a boat full of Amish people with a horse pulling their boat around. Or I can meet the guy in the Baja with the tiny caca and totally match with him too. I don't care. Give me a crowd. Give me a crowd, okay? Is it Pet Lover Tuesday? I'm there. Is it Thursday? I don't know if that's their day, but I'm there. I'm there, brother. On the surf jet.
You offended so many people in this one short clip.
We will not probably put that on YouTube, but check us out on Patreon. If you like what you've seen today and you like the previous jet ski stuff, just leave something in comments that you like to see us try or do if you have any cool video ideas, because we want to be more engaging with our audience. As of right now, we got a whopping 26 subscribers, so basically booming. That's the size of a small village in Antarctica, so I'm pretty proud of that. But we want to hear from you guys. What do you guys want to see? We do have more things coming, and eventually we want to start rolling out more videos a week once we get things nailed down a little bit better. But please hit us up in comments. Tell us what you'd like to see. Like, subscribe.